Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do another episode of What's in the Box. We've got a radiator for a 350Z. We're going to get it unboxed and see what the quality is. Stay tuned. Alright, what we got is a new aluminum radiator. This one's for the 350Z. We've had a mishap and we had to replace some things on it. And let's see what we got. Well, this is a brand I've been wanting to try. I've been seeing it on the internet. It is one of your cheaper brands still. Not like your Koyos or any of that stuff. It actually has a dent in it from shipping on the top right here, but we're in a position where we have to use it. It's one we got to go with it. And so far, it looks better than the other one we got. As far as the quality, this actually looks a little better made. It's called Haste is the brand. It's got a good looking little cap on it too. If I can get it off. There we go. And there's the cap, like a purple colored deal on it. The welds look good so far. It's a little scratched up from shipping, and like I say, it's got a dent in it. That's not from the manufacturer. The welds look like they've been coated after it's been welded. But yeah, I think this one's going to be a little better quality than the one we had. This is for the 350, and the tabs look good. Fins look good. It's a little banged up from shipping. Let's get it on, let's see what it does, see what it looks like. Alright guys, it's been a long day. Got the drift car loaded up. We're heading there in the morning. I actually put the new radiator, the Haste or something, whatever the brand fan it was. Anyway, I got it put on. It fits fairly well. Where that front end's been kind of cracked up, and I used the cheaper radiator support. Just a combination of a few things. I did have to work a little bit to get that dialed in. But got the electric fans on, got everything going, everything's looking good. Got it outside, it's gonna burp the coolant. And the alternator's not working. So I got it loaded, and I'm gonna take 2 hot batteries and we'll try to drift tomorrow. After that, I've got to chase either wire loose or pop the fuse, or we may have contact somewhere on some wiring or something. I don't think so. I think it's probably just a bad alternator. This car sat for a long time before I bought it. It's just our luck, I think it is. But we're going to be running the 2 slim fans, and I don't know how much they draw, at least 15 amps I'd say, maybe even 30, 15 a piece. But so we're going to go ahead and take a couple extra hot batteries and try to make a day of it, try to get what we can learned, and try to get that car dialed in a little bit. But yeah, here we go. Let's do something and get some drifting done, and then hopefully we'll make it through. It's gonna be cold tomorrow too. Hopefully we'll make it through the day, and we'll get that thing. We'll bring you some footage with that, and you'll get to see tomorrow what we're doing. So hang in there. We're going drifting. Bye bye.
Round 2.
We finna go drifting. This is only my second time. This is only my second time running.
Second time. Here we go.
See how hard
And
it is?
push one else. Get the tires good and heat it up. They're getting warm. Getting warm.
It's definitely harder than it looks, man. Let me tell you.
Definitely harder than it looks. Always wanted to be a milkshake.
That's funny. Bless.
I believe he's getting the hang of it. $720s, bro.
$720, bro.
All right, we've got Keelan making his attempt to get up here. Not bad, not bad. That's Keelan, done real well. All right.
This is round three.
Round three.
Round three.
Fight. Here we go. Hello. Backwards. It's raining.
It's raining, it's pouring.
That's a pretty good one there.
It wasn't bad.
Getting better.
That's our video for today. If you will, stay tuned with us on YouTube here. Like, follow, subscribe, and then you got the little bell. That bell will give you a little ding, let you know that, hey, they've posted another video. So if you want to hit that bell, you can stay with us every time we put out a new video. And if you haven't watched some of our older stuff, kick back to some of that. So the more you guys watch, The more views we have, the more subscribers we have, the better off it is for us. That'll allow us to continue to bring you this content. So if you will, follow us on Instagram. We're there at Chesser Enterprises. If you'll hit us up on Twitter, Chesser Enterprises there as well. And if you ever need to email us for whatever reason, it's chesserenterprises@yahoo.com. Stay with us, guys. Hey, we appreciate you watching our videos, and there'll be more to come. Thank you, guys.